Dos Niang.
No.
Dos Niang no.
Doblang. Doblang.
Doblang. Ronaldo. Okay, Messi.
Ron.
Messi. So Drima is the best team.
No, we have to change the run.
What is this? What? It's gone. If you have any problem with your computer, ladies and gentlemen, let us see together the beauty of Paham Sim. Nowadays they are actually reaping the rice, so the field look like this. Meghalaya. Look the beauty here. Somebody has made very beautiful fish pond and come fishing. Obviously need to always ask the permission to fish. Oi Kong! Kom no! Kom ne he! Rice! Auto is moving ne? Auto is moving. Where is it? Yes. Okay.
My name is Yong.
Your name is Yong.
Yeah.
Yong. Shano.
Shano. Hangne Patar.
Hangne Patar.
Ani Panthor.
What?
Panthor.
Panthor. Panthor. Pila de Bamja.
Ada Bamja.
Ladep.
Pi ada Bamja.
Ladep.
Ada.
Dosiar.
No.
No. Dosiar. What is?
No chicken.
Chicken.
No chicken.
Dos Niang.
No.
Dos Niang no.
Doblang.
Doblang.
Yes.
Doblang biang.
Yeah.
Biang. Okay, Doblang biang.
Ada Bamja pi.
Ladep.
Juria.
Ladep.
Juria. Cinta ayu.
Ching tayu. Hoi. Hoi, kom rồi. Lông cúp à?
Zoom.
Zoom.
Ang baba drang ta. Ang manay. Langsung sa zoom. YouTube. King.
This king. AB family good.
AB family good.
Good, very good.
Very good.
You can say. Ronaldo. Okay, Messi.
Messi. M salah.
Neymar.
Pogba.
Neymar. Mappe.
Dra.
Like this more. Wow, strong man.
iPhone Galaxy makin.
Oh, they do like this. And then they put the rice there. First they cut it, then they dry it,
Cow.
then they carry it, and then they smash it. I think so, and the guys are planning probably how they're gonna do it. Let's see how is the game here. Here in Paham Sim, cricket. Wow, this is nice. Many people are also here. Come no? Biang to. These guys are playing cricket here. My goodness. How nice is this one? Let's go. Oof. Yes.
Last.
This guy is waving his flag after my
Having a. Oi!
How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Fine.
How is the cricket?
It's all great.
All good. How are you? You're good.
Yeah.
Who are you guys?
Dreamer.
Is it Drima?
Yeah, dreamer.
Ah.
Versus Nartap.
Okay, so Drima is the best team.
No, we have to chase the run.
Uh-huh.
99 to win.
99 to win.
Yes.
Okay, how the game is going? Ah. Yes. Another team or what?
Nartap, that one Nartap.
That one is Nartap.
Abhishek Gupta.
Let me see. So this is Nartap team. Nah? I just heard that you can get chai from there. Oi. Yes, yes.
Hello, Chana.
Hello, hello. How are you? Bamlang.
Bamlang. Lai Ngut.
Huh?
Bamlang.
Abanglang. Raimut.
Lai
Laimut.
Ngut. Lai
Lai.
Ngut.
Lai la lai la lai lai lai. Show my cricket skill. Running, taking the ball. You saw me already throwing, the one ball in cherry blossom. Let's see how the parent throws. Where I throw this? There. Oh, I cannot throw. So, having a tea and watching a cricket, and I have no idea what's going on. They just hit the ball and the ball goes somewhere, and then they call 6-4 and whatever they call. Huh? Yes, I will go.
Oh, yes. I'm like a black slow. With a black skull. Aki. How many?
Here was my ball bearing. Here was my ball bearing fall down. The bit is somewhere here. Okay, the bit is somewhere there. So take care of that bit. I think the girl just jump over that bit. Right. Let's go back home. Aki, what is this? My goodness. Aki, fun Samsung Pareng. What the freak is this one? This was surprising. This was very surprising. Aki, phone, fun Samsung Pareng. Question mark. AB family. Like and subscribe. Like that my tire is empty. And that's how it is actually. It's gone. What to do? Tire is broke. It's okay. I have another one. Hard workers here in Pahamsyiem doing the rice, getting the rice like this. Highly appreciate it. Highly appreciate it. There they are waving nicely. Wow. Like I say, Kasi people are also very beautiful. Beautiful tribe, beautiful people. No doubt about that. But what to do? Need to do something about it. Should I drive? Or I just call help? Because I don't have the tools right now, so I gonna come here to sit in a beautiful views with cows behind me and just think what to do. People are coming from school, back to home, back to hostel. Hello. Hello. How are you? You're good. Bye. Just try to drive it for a little bit. Let's see how it. Because if the metal will touch the ground, then it's more worse. Let me just see and let's see how this way that I can drive this in the maintenance place. Let me see if I have. I have tire. Oh, actually I have, yeah. So it's no problem.
You got to change.
Yeah, need to change only. I have it. Like that.
Like that. Like this.
Like this, like that.
Yes.
Strong Kasi man. Pareng Finland, yes. This young gentleman's come to help me. Very good, nah. Thank you very much. My goodness. That's what I say. Kasi people are always very nice and lovely people, nah. Kasi are nice. You're Kasi? Brother, you're Kasi? Yes. Hoi. Hello, hello. Strong Ripoy Kasi guy. That's what. Willing to help. Appreciate a lot. This is how they do, nah? Yes, just like this. Yes, like that.
Like that, Chocoba.
Ah, Chocopa.
Oh, Chocoba.
Chocopa, Chocopa. Bye. 5 minutes and it's done. What a work. Very nice. Guys, we are on the road again. That young boy was not willing to take my money, so I needed to actually force to take the money of changing the tire. Obviously, I will pay, no doubt about it. And I know that boy that he doesn't have much, so then it's good to bless only. That's how I think. There it is. Guys are fixing something. Not seller. Jana. Jana, good. Good, Jana. Ah. Ah. So he's the man who will fix your auto. You have any problem, you contact him. Ah. You come here to fix your auto. So many autos here. He have how many years you have experience? My goodness, only 20 years fixing autos, oil and whatever you name it. He knows these autos like his own pocket. So if you have any problem, this is the place that you come to fix your auto, isn't it? Near to the Axis Bank, actually other side. So if you have any problem with your computer, you bring it here. It will be fixed also, isn't it? Fresh.
Organic French bean.
Organic French bean.
All locally grown by myself.
Grown by yourself.
Yes.
My
But with the help
goodness.
but with the help of Aki Kankunan.
Aha. Nice. So you just came to give for our family some French beans.
Yes.
That's so beautiful.
Mm.
And you have collected this morning, so it cannot be. It is so fresh.
It is very fresh.
It's very
I
fresh.
just collected this early in the morning.
Uh-huh. And he's a hard worker. If you need any land cleaning, plantations, you contact Mr. William. He will come to do his job.
Yeah.
That's what. Thank you very much. We
Have a
highly
nice day.
appreciate it. that
Enjoy
one.
it. Enjoy it.